Friends, welcome to the channel of Digital to Real. Today we are going to discuss about the Verilog RTL code and Verilog verification code of a coin acceptor of an electronic newspaper vending machine. हम एक न्यूज़पेपर वेंडिंग मशीन, जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक न्यूज़पेपर वेंडिंग मशीन है, जो कॉइन को एक्सेप्ट करता है और रिक्वायर्ड कॉइन होने से वो न्यूज़पेपर को रिलीज़ करता है, इस तरह का एक सिस्टम है। उसका हम वेरीलॉग कोड लिखेंगे, आरटीएल कोड मतलब डिज़ाइन कोड, और उसके साथ साथ हम वेरीलॉग में ही वेरिफिकेशन कोड मतलब स्टिमुलस प्रोवाइड करने से वो आरटीएल किस तरह से बिहेव करता है वो भी डिटेल्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे। व्हाट इज़ अ वेंडिंग मशीन? वेंडिंग मशीन क्या है? So a vending machine is a coin operated machine for selling merchandise. कोई भी चीज़ को सेल करने के लिए, जैसे कोक का वेंडिंग मशीन होता है, कॉफ़ी का वेंडिंग मशीन होता है। आप मॉल में जाओगे तो आप देखोगे कॉफ़ी वेंडिंग मशीन है, फूड एंड ड्रिंक वेंडिंग मशीन है, एयरपोर्ट में भी दिखता है। इवन द एटीएम मशीन, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेंडिंग मशीन। सो अ वेंडिंग मशीन इज़ अ कॉइन ऑपरेटेड मशीन फॉर सेलिंग मर्चेंडाइज। ठीक है, इसके कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स तो मैंने आपको दे ही दिए। एंड एटीएम इज अ वेंडिंग मशीन दैट डिस्पेंसेस कैश इंस्टेड ऑफ स्नैक्स और सोडा। सो एटीएम भी एक तरह का वेंडिंग मशीन है जो रिलीज करता है कैश इंस्टेड ऑफ स्नैक्स और सोडा। नाउ वी विल लुक एट द डिजाइन स्पेसिफिकेशन फॉर आवर वेंडिंग मशीन। अब हम डिजाइन स्पेसिफिकेशन के बारे में जानेंगे for our specific newspaper vending machine. First, assume newspaper cost 15 cents. पहला हम assume करते हैं कि न्यूज़पेपर जो है उसका कॉस्ट कितना है, 15 सेंट्स है। तो सेंट्स क्या है? दिस इज अ मॉनेटरी यूनिट। ये एक तरह का मॉनेटरी यूनिट है जो यूएस यूके वहाँ पे यूज होता है, जस्ट लाइक द रुपीज वी हैव। द कॉइन एक्सेप्टर टेक्स ओनली निकल एंड डिम्स। सो निकल एंड डिम्स क्या है? दीज आर ऑल्सो मॉनेटरी यूनिट विच आर स्मॉलर देन द सेंट। 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents and 1 dim is worth 10 cents. Okay. Now, point 3. Exact change must be provided. The acceptor does not return extra money. इसका मतलब क्या है? जो वेंडिंग मशीन में मुझे 15 सेंट का ही कॉम्बिनेशन भेजना पड़ेगा, 15 सेंट, बी इट निकल एंड डिम। ये 5 सेंट है और डिम 10 सेंट्स है, तो 1 निकल 1 डिम एग्जैक्ट 15 सेंट होता है। या फिर आप करो 3 निकल्स, दैट ऑल्सो मेक्स 15 सेंट्स। अगर मैं 2 डिम्स डालूँ तो इट वुड बी 20 सेंट्स, सो मोर देन 15 सेंट्स। सो तब भी आपका न्यूज़पेपर रिलीज होगा वेंडिंग मशीन से, पर चेंज नहीं मिलेगा, रिटर्न कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको। इसलिए हमेशा यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट द एग्जैक्ट चेंज हैज टू बी प्रोवाइडेड टू द वेंडिंग मशीन। द एक्सेप्टर, दैट इज द वेंडिंग मशीन, इज द एक्सेप्टर इन आवर केस, इट डज नॉट रिटर्न एक्स्ट्रा मनी। ओके, नाउ पॉइंट 4, वैलिड कॉम्बिनेशन इंक्लूडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ कॉइन्स। कौन कौन से वैलिड कॉम्बिनेशंस है दैट मेक 15 सेंट्स एंड व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर इन विच यू विल बी पुटिंग द कॉइन्स? सो फर्स्ट 1 nickel and 1 dim, it is the first combination. 3 nickels is the second combination, or 1 dim and 1 nickel is the third combination. 2 dims are valid but the acceptor does not return money. We discussed about it. 20 सेंट होने पर भी न्यूज़पेपर रिलीज होगा, पर आपका वेंडिंग मशीन रिटर्न नहीं करेगा कोई मनी। ओके, नाउ वी विल लुक एट द सर्किट रिक्वायरमेंट्स। पहले हमने डिज़ाइन स्पेसिफिकेशन देखा, अब हम सर्किट का रिक्वायरमेंट देखेंगे। व्हेन ईच कॉइन इज इंसर्टेड, जब हर एक कॉइन इंसर्ट होता है, अ 2-bit सिग्नल कॉइन 1 down to 0 इज सेंड टू द डिजिटल सर्किट। ओके, सो कॉइन जो है आपका ये एक इनपुट है, ठीक है, वो डिटरमाइन कर रहा है किस तरह का कॉइन में डाल रही हूँ, वेदर आई एम पुटिंग निकल, वेदर आई एम पुटिंग डिम, और वेदर आई एम पुटिंग नथिंग। ओके, एंड दैट वुड बी डिटरमाइन, दैट वुड बी चेक्ड बाय द डिजिटल सर्किट। Okay, and the signal is asserted at the next negative edge of the global clock signal and stays up for exactly 1 clock cycle. So ये जो हम लोग ये कब डालते हैं, ग्लोबल क्लॉक सिग्नल जो होगा सिस्टम का, उसके नेगेटिव एज में मैं कॉइन डाल रही हूँ, ठीक है, और वो कॉइन आपका 1 क्लॉक साइकिल के लिए कॉइन की वैल्यू 1 रहेगी. सो बी इट 1-0 कॉम्बिनेशन क्या हो सकता है, 0-0, 0-1, 1-0, 1-1. दीज आर द 4 कॉम्बिनेशन. ठीक है, तो ये आपका 1 रहेगा. दैट कॉम्बिनेशन बी द 2-bit वैल्यू, दैट वैल्यू वुड बी ट्रू फॉर 1 क्लॉक साइकिल एंड इट वुड बी असर्टेड एट द नेगेटिव एज ऑफ द ग्लोबल क्लॉक सिग्नल. ये नेगेटिव एज में ही हम इसको अप्लाई करेंगे और ये आपका 1 क्लॉक सिग्नल साइकिल के लिए वैलिड रहेगा. नाउ द सेकेंड सर्किट रिक्वायरमेंट. The output of the digital circuit is a single bit. So आपका output है digital circuit का क्या, न्यूज़पेपर रिलीज होना. So that would be a single bit. Each time the total amount inserted is 15 cents or more, an output signal newspaper goes high for exactly 1 clock cycle. So हमारा हमने यह डिटरमाइन क्या किया, सर्किट का आउटपुट सिग्नल न्यूज़पेपर आउटपुट सिग्नल है. जब भी हम टोटल कॉइन का जो इनपुट डालेंगे उसका टोटल अमाउंट 15 सेंट होगा या फिर उससे ज़्यादा होगा तो आउटपुट आपका हाई होगा. कितने देर के लिए, इट वुड रिमेन हाई फॉर एग्जैक्टली 1 क्लॉक साइकिल. वेंडिंग मशीन डोर इज रिलीज. तो वेंडिंग मशीन का डोर ओपन रहेगा तब तक 1 क्लॉक साइकिल के लिए. सो रीसेट सिग्नल कैन बी यूज टू रीसेट द फाइनाइट स्टेट मशीन. सो ये जो आपका सर्किट डिज़ाइन करने के लिए है हमें FSM का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, फाइनाइट स्टेट मशीन का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस होल प्रोसेस ऑफ मूविंग फ्रॉम 5 सेंट 10 सेंट 15 सेंट ये फॉलो होता है एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में एंड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द इनपुट एंड द प्रेजेंट स्टेट आउटपुट ऑल्सो चेंजेस. सो न्यूज़पेपर गेट रिलीज. सो इट इज़ एन FSM. So a reset is applied to reset the finite state machine and we assume a synchronous reset. Synchronous reset मतलब ये clock से synchronized होगा ये reset, ठीक है, जो clock होगा circuit का. Now we will talk about the finite state machine. Okay, please note ये एक आपका मिली मशीन है, मिली मशीन हम डिज़ाइन करने वाले हैं जो FSM है, क्योंकि जो आपका आउटपुट जनरेट हो रहा है दैट इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द करंट स्टेट and it is also depending upon the current input applied. Okay, and that will only affect the output. So we represent the functionality of digital circuit. जो digital circuit की functionality है उसको हम किससे represent कर रहे हैं, एक finite state machine. ठीक है, so हमारे input क्या है, so the input, so coin is the input of 2 bits, 1 down to 0, 2 bit. So x0 is the state when no coin is given, no coin, that is 0-0, 2 tick B 0-0. Nickel x5 2 tick B 0-1. Dime x10 2 tick B 1-0. So the value of 0-1 is 5, the value of 1-0 is 10. Okay, and when 0-0 no coin is given and when 2 tick B 1-1 is there, then it is not a valid combination, so don't care. Okay, then the output newspaper is the output, it is of single bit. So the vending machine will release the door when newspaper is equal to 1 tick B1. When this signal newspaper is 1, the vending machine will open the door. What are the states? 4 states. S0 is the state when 0 cents is applied to the vending machine. S5 is the state when there are 5 cents in the vending machine. S10 when is the 10 cents is there in the vending machine. S15 is now the vending machine has gone complete 15 cents. State, and here is the money. What the state means? S0 state means 0 cents. S5 state means 5 cents. S10 state means 10 cents. And N15 state means 15 cents. So these are the state and this is the correspond to the money value for the states. And here is the input coin. So x0 input means 2 tick B 00 coin is applied. x5 means 2 tick B 01 is applied. x10 means 2 tick B 10 is applied. 0 means no coin. 01 means 5 cents. 10 means 10 cents. That is 01 means 1 nickel and 10 means 1 dim. Now here, and when it is 2 tick B 11, don't care state. Okay, no state is there. So 4 states. So 4 circles I have provided. This is the FSM diagram. S0, S5, S10, S15. So when X0 is the input in S0 state, output is 0. When X5 input has been applied, okay, to S0 state, so S0 state will move to S5 state. Here also output is 0. Suppose again X0 input is applied to S5 state, output is 0 only. It would remain in the same state. In the S5 state, if X5 is applied, it would move to the S10 state. Here output is 0 only. In S10 state, if I applied X0, output is 0 only. Now in S10 state, if I provide the input X0, that means it would remain in the S10 state only, output is 0. In S10 state, if I applied the input X5, then it would move to the S15 state, output is 0. Now we have reached the S15 state, means 15 cents we have got. Now whatever is the input applied, you will always get the output 1. Okay, irrespective of the input, that is the don't care, you will get output 1. Once you get the output 1, the state would move back to the S0 state. Now we will see the Verilog RTL code. Okay, so design these are the comments we put. This double slash means comments. Design the newspaper vending machine coin acceptor and using a FSM approach. So the orange color, whatever I have written, this is the comments. Okay. Module vend. So vend is the module name, which is for the short form of the vending machine. Here is the port list. Coin, clock, reset, newspaper. These are the 4 ports we have for the design. Now input and output port declaration. Input 1 down to 0 coin. Coin is of 2 bit, semicolon. Input clock, semicolon. Input reset, semicolon. Then output newspaper is of output type, semicolon. And newspaper I have specifically now defined it as declared is wire, because by default it is reg type. So I have made it wire, newspaper, semicolon. Now some internal states, internal FSM state declaration we are making. Some internal variables we are declaring. Wire 1 down to 0, next state. So next state is of wire type, and reg 1 down to 0, present state. So it is the present state, reg 1 down to 0, semicolon. State encodings. So we have set 4 parameter S0, S5, S10, S15. Parameter S0 is equal to 2 tick B 00 semicolon. Parameter S5 2 tick B 01 semicolon. Parameter S10 2 tick B 10 semicolon. And parameter S15 is 2 tick B 11 semicolon. Now we are writing a function. Okay. And the name of the function is FSM. And FSM is of 3 bit. This function will have a return value that would stored in the variable FSM itself. Okay. And this function does some repetitive work that it is being called multiple times in the code. So in order to reduce the repeated calling of the same piece, repeated writing the same piece of code, we are putting it inside a function where the function call will be made, and every time the function call is made, internal computation happen based on the inputs, and the output is been put into the FSM variable. Okay, and that will help us to get the value of newspaper signal value. Okay, so this is what the FSM does. This function does. This is a combinational logic. Function 2 down to 0, FSM. Input 1 down to 0. Input a function will have at least one input. So input is 1 down to 0, FSM coin, semicolon. Input 1 down to 0, FSM underscore press underscore state, semicolon. So coin and present state for this FSM. Register FSM newspaper, So FNM newspaper is a variable used in the function. It is of register type and register 1 down to 0, FSM next state semicolon. This is also a variable of register type, 2-bit. Now begin. Function, inside the function begin statement. Inside the begin statement I am calling the case. Okay, and the case will have the input FSM underscore press underscore state. So present state input would be the FSM present state input would determine the case value. If it is S0, then I will move to the begin end statement in this particular piece of code. If FSM coin is 2 tick B10 for S0 state, okay, S0 state, that is state encoding, initial state S0, no input is given. Okay, now I am making FSM coin 2 tick B10. Okay, then the 10 means what? 10 means 10, 01 means 5. So the coin 10 has been put, FSM newspaper is 0. Okay, it is not 1 at present. Next state is now S10, because in the S0 state we have put the input 10. So the next state is S10, then semicolon, and it is the end of the begin. It is end of this particular begin statement. Okay, inside the if statement, else if I have the else if for that. If the FSM coin is equal to 2 tick B01, then I am going to the begin end statement. Still the FSM newspaper is 0 only, and FSM next state is now 5, S5. Okay, from S0 it moved to S5 state because it got the 5 cents input. This is the end of the begin. Now else. Now is the else. Else statement we have covered 0, 1, 1, 0 combination, and if either none of them are valid, then what would we do? Inside the else begin end, newspaper output is 0 only, 1 tick B0 semicolon, and FSM next state is S0 only. It would remain in the same state, and this end is for this particular begin. Now next is the S5 state. In the S5 state, again inside begin, if the coin is 2 tick B10, S5, 5 plus 10, 15. So FSM newspaper is 0, and FSM next state is S15, semicolon, begin end. Now else if FSM coin is equal to 2 tick B01. Okay, so inside the begin end, FSM newspaper is 1 tick B0, semicolon, and FSM next state is S10, semicolon, begin end. Then inside the else, we were in S5 state, no? Now 5 plus 5, 10 state we move. Okay, else. Okay, FSM newspaper is equal to inside the begin end, 1 tick B0, and FSM newspaper is S5, same state itself. It would remain in the same state itself. Now S10 state. Now inside the begin end, if FSM coin is 2 tick B10, this is 10 plus 10, 20, then also it would move to the FSM next state is S15, and FSM newspaper is 1 tick B0, semicolon. FSM coin is equal to 2 tick B01. Okay, so we are in the 2 tick B01 state, that is 5. So FSM newspaper inside the begin end is 0 only, FSM next state is S15. Else begin end, FSM newspaper is 1 tick B0 semicolon, and FSM next state is equal to S10 semicolon, begin end, and this end is for this begin. Okay, in the S10 state. If you are liking the video, please subscribe the channel. Please press the bell icon so that you can get the recent notification from my channel. Okay, now we will continue with the code. S15 state is S15 state begin. Now S15 state, inside the begin and FSM newspaper is 1 tick B1 only, because irrespective of the input we reach the S15 state. That means the vending machine has the request sent. FSM newspaper is 1 tick B1 semicolon, and FSM next state, it would go to the S0 state, reset state only, begin end. And here is the end case. For the case, here is the end case, and here is the FSM. FSM for the function, return value would be stored in FSM, and FSM will have, it is of 3 bit, 2 down to 0. That is the concatenation of FSM newspaper, comma FSM next state. Okay, this is the concatenation of the two values. Okay, and here is the end for the function. Here is the end for the function begin, and this is the end function for the function. Here is the comment statement. We re-evaluate the combinational logic. So every time the re-evaluate the combinational logic, each time a coin input or the present state changes. So whenever we put a coin in the vending machine, and whenever there is a change in the present state, the FSM will be called, this function will be called, and every time newspaper and next state value would be evaluated and it would be put inside. Every time they would be evaluated and they would be assigned using the assign statement. So that is what it is saying. Re-evaluate the combinational logic. Every time the combinational logic of the FSM written in function format, we have to re-evaluate it every time a coin is being put or the present state. Clock the state flip-flop. Now the flip-flops which move from one state to another state, they are sequential logic. And sequential logic work based on the clocks, synchronization of the clock. And we have a synchronous reset also. So always at the rate of positive edge of the clock, we are going inside the begin end statement. If reset is there 1 tick B1, then the present state is 0, S0 state. Okay, else the present state would be the value of next state. This is the non-blocking assignment. Okay, these assignments which are made inside the always block, sequential logic for always block which triggered at the pause edge of the clock. So assignment happen based on the non-blocking statement. Here is the end for this begin and here is the end mode. We will see the verification code for the RTL. So the stimulus or test vectors are applied to the RTL description to test all possible combination of coins. So हम क्या apply करते हैं? Module stimulus. What is the module name? Stimulus of the module. Reg clock semicolon, reg 1 down to 0 coin semicolon, reg reset semicolon via newspaper semicolon. Instantiate the vending state machine. So we are instantiating the vending machine RTL. So vend is the name of the module, vend y is the instance name, and here is the port list, coin, clock, reset, newspaper. So the coin is here reg, while in the code it is of wire type. Inputs are always wire, clock, reg, reset, reg, and newspaper it is a wire type. Though we have mentioned in the code as the newspaper as wire, but by default the output is always the reg type. Now display the output. How to display the output? Through the initial begin end statement. $display, inside the bracket, double quotes, /t, time, reset, newspaper. This is for tap time. This is the system task which will display the time. Then we will time reset newspaper. It would display, it is not a system task. Time reset newspaper will display that it is the message for the resetting the newspaper. It is the time to reset the newspaper. Here is the new line character that is also inside double quotes. Monitor, okay, inside the dollar monitor, inside the bracket it is double quotes, %d, %d. These are the format strings for $time. This is the system task, $time. It would be displayed here for this %d. Then is the reset. This is the %d for that format string for reset, and %d for newspaper it is the %d. So here these three would be displayed, and dollar monitor will be called every time there is a change in the value of $time, reset or monitor. Okay, and here is the end for the initial beginning. Now apply stimulus to the vending machine. Now we are applying the stimulus. So inside the initial begin, first clock I am setting to 0, coin 0 semicolon, clock 0 semicolon, reset 1 semicolon. After hash 50 units, reset I am from 1 to 0 I am making semicolon, and at the neg edge of the clock. So at the negative edge of the clock, wait until the neg edge of the clock. So at the neg edge of the clock, I am put 1 nickel and then 1 dime to get the newspaper. This particular combination we are putting to the vending machine. Hash 180, after 180 unit, coin is equal to 1 input, and then we will wait for 40 time units, the coin is set to 0. Then again for 80 time units, coin is set to 2 semicolon. After 40 time units, coin is set to 0 semicolon. Hash, put 3 nickels to get newspaper. This is the next combination of coins. To hash 18, coin is equal to 1 semicolon. After 40 time units, coin is set to 0 semicolon. Again hash 80 time units, coin is set to 1 semicolon. Then after 40 time units, coin is set to 0 semicolon. Again hash 80, after 80 time units, coin is set to 1 semicolon. After then hash 40, after 40 time unit, coin is set to 0 semicolon. This is the combination when we put 3 nickels to get the newspaper. 3 nickels will make the 15 cents. Here we are putting, here in the comment we have put 2 dimes 10, 10, 20. Machine does not return a nickel to get the newspaper. Here no return value will happen, but we will get the newspaper. Hash 180, coin 2 semicolon, hash 40, coin 0 semicolon. So coin 2. Okay. Coin 2 means 10 value, 10 cents. That is 1 nickel. Hash 80, coin 2 semicolon, hash 40, coin is equal to 0 semicolon. We are making it 2, then 0. We are making it 2, then 0. Coin value we are changing. Now this particular combination, inside comment we have put, here put 1 dime and then 1 nickel to get newspaper. Earlier what we did, 1 nickel and then 1 dime. Here we change the order to 1 dime and then 1 nickel to get the newspaper. To hash 180 means after 180 time unit, coin is equal to 2 semicolon, hash 40, coin is equal to 0 semicolon. Hash 80, coin is equal to 1 semicolon, hash 40, coin is equal to 0 semicolon. Hash 80, after 80 time unit, I am having this, I am calling the dollar finish task, and it is the initial begin and statement, and here it should be dollar finish. Okay, rather than finish, it should be dollar finish to come out of the initial begin loop. Here is the comment I have put, generate the clock, cycle time is 40 units. So this is the clock generation circuit, always block. So forever it runs. So always begin end, hash 20, clock is equal to not of clock semicolon. Always begin end module. So this dollar finish, this is actually a dollar finish. Okay, this only helps to come out of this particular module of stimulus. The video, if you like it, then share with your friends and please subscribe the channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.